Advice to younger versions of yourself, what would that be? Stay around positive people. With all the people with nice style. Putting out a few years later, few gloves. No, EC's not without. Or since in legitimizing comics as an art.
Let's design an original character with dice. Let's design an original character with dice. Alright, let's draw a hide. Hey, I'm just sitting here drawing a mermaid, classic. But I just got the sweetest DM on Instagram. I'll put it right here. But it says, I'm one of the people who saw your TikTok a while back about making a Rosalina poster, and I tried it. after making a poster inspired by yours, I realized that art is really the path for me. I've been drawing my whole life and somehow forgot how much I love it. I start graphic design classes in a month and I just wanted to say thank you. And I'm like, it's making me cry because that is so sweet to this person. I don't know if you will ever see this, but I'm gonna respond to you obviously and say thanks. That's so nice. That's like all I want is for people to see me making stuff and be inspired to make their own stuff. Oh, it's just like made my day. Headed to the gym. Aren't you so proud of me? Great workout. I wasn't in there for very long, like half hour. I didn't do any cardio, but I went on like a 40-minute walk this morning. So now I just have some errands to run. I'm just gonna go to one place and see if I can get everything. We need like a bunch of household things like laundry detergent and paper towels and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I had caffeine today, which I'm kind of on this like sober kick. I haven't been smoking, I haven't been drinking at all, and I haven't had caffeine either, which the caffeine thing has been for a while. Sometimes I'll have tea, you know, I'll have a coffee here and there, and that's all I allow myself to have. But I had caffeine today. I had a coffee today, and that's why I'm so productive. That's why I'm having such a good day, because I'm like focused. And I'm just thinking about the task at hand. I love that when I'm on coffee, I can just focus on the task at hand. My mind is not like, usually my mind is so, I can't do anything because I'm trying to do something, but my mind is thinking about 20 other things, and it distracts me constantly. But I really want to be able to get to a point in my life where I can really make myself focus. Like I can do it. It is possible to do it without the assistance of caffeine. Like, it's definitely not impossible. It's just so much work. It's a lot of mental energy. It is more exhausting. You know, with coffee, it's just like kind of easy. So anyways, but sometimes I just really need to have a productive day, so I just need a little bit of caffeine to boost my productivity, I guess. But yeah, okay. Let's go to the store and spend some money that I don't have. Okay. Just got back from the store. I kind of had like a little bit of a realization like while I was driving, and about TikTok. Because that's what I think about all the time. But I've been like stuck in this really bad like cycle where I'm feeling really unmotivated. And I think it's because like I just don't have my priorities straight. Like, I've been going on TikTok, scrolling in order to see like what's trendy, what's everyone doing, what's getting likes, you know. what do I like that other people are doing, and like using that as my inspiration for making something. Like, oh my gosh, I love this trend, I really want to do it too, which there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, whatever. But I think for me, like, it's just like, first of all, you have to be in like such a sweet spot to be able to like capitalize off of a trend. Like, if your goal is to get views or get likes or get followers, whatever, you have to be at that perfect time. There's a really small window between like the trend going up and then the trend falling down. It's like, if that makes sense. And I just like really need to stop thinking about it that way. Like, I need to stop looking at what's trendy and letting that inform what I want to create, because one, it doesn't go anywhere. Like, a trend is just a trend. It's not something that can like last a while. And I also think it makes me really uninspired, because I'm not getting into the habit of like thinking of my own ideas or like, you know, starting my own trends. We're just doing what I want, like really going into my head and my heart and thinking like, what do I want to make? And yeah, I'm ready to get out of this annoying cycle of scrolling on TikTok looking for inspiration. Like, that's just not where the inspiration is going to come from. Or like jumping on trends. Like, I just don't want to jump on trends. It kind of makes me sad after posting. I'm like, okay, now what, you know? I think it's fine every once in a while. And if you're really like making it your own, then that's fine too. But yeah, it's kind of like an empty inspiration. And I feel like there's some people who are really good at it. Like, they're really good at spotting trends, jumping on them quickly, then as soon as they post, finding the next trend, jumping on that really quickly, and like, that's really cool. But I just don't think I'm that person. Like, I think I just need to do what I want to do. And usually my most successful stuff, both externally and internally, like internally I feel like I've done something good, and externally it's reflected that like people appreciate what I've done. Like, that is always, it's never from a trend, ever. So chew on that. Oh my god, also, I have to tell you, when I was driving home from the store, I was listening to Owl City's new album because I was just curious. I heard that they like made a new album this year in March, the end of March. And I was like, okay, whatever. But I just randomly was like, I'm curious to see like what this sounds like. Has Owl City changed at all? And I think I've been like thinking about Owl City in general, because like me and my one friend just had like a conversation about them and how Fireflies is like such a banger. Anyways, I was listening to it. I didn't get through the whole thing because I just didn't have time, obviously, but I was skipping songs because I was like, gave them, you know, a couple minutes and I was like, I can't do it anymore, which I was kind of expecting. But it actually got really weird. Like, I could not have expected the turn that the album was gonna take. I might like make a video about it because, bro, it got a little religious. It kind of was like a little bit culty. I don't know. Should I talk about it?